Hi, hello, welcome to Bharati's Math Academy. Today we are going to learn about angles formed by the parallel lines and the transversal. We have already learned the transversal and real life example in the previous video. In this video, we are going to learn about the different angles formed by the transversal in a very easy way. When a line crosses two lines, when a line crosses two lines, it creates a 8 distinct angle. So here we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different angle, 4 at each point. This point we have 4 angle. In this point we have 4 angles. So these are all categorized based on the position. So when the line intersects the parallel lines, they form the several angles that share the common property. It has some common properties. But at the same way, when the transversal intersects the non-parallel line, there is no relationship between the angles formed. So here we have interior angles, exterior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angle, and vertically opposite angle, and consecutive angle, and corresponding angle. So we are going to learn all the angles in detail. So the first one is interior angle. Angle that lies on inside the lines that intersected by the transversal. So here we have angle, the line AB and line CD. So the line PQ that intersects these two parallel lines. So this is transversal. So what does interior angle means? So inside it, the angle formed inside the two lines. So these two lines are the parallel line. The angles formed between the parallel lines is known as interior angle. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are the interior angles. The next angle is exterior angle. So angle that lies on the outside of two main lines. AB, CD are the parallel lines, that is main lines. Here PQ is the transversal. 8 different angles are formed. So in this 1, 2 and 7, 8 that are lies outside. So 1, 2 and 7, 8 are lies outside. So these 4 angles are known as exterior angle. The next angle is alternate interior angle. We already learned interior angle. Interior angle means that lies inside. That inside the two main lines are the interior angles. Then what is alternate interior angle? So it is also lies on the inner side, but each of those but opposite side of the transversal. So 3, 4, 5, 6, all 4 angles are the interior angle, but 3 and 6, so both are in opposite sides. So these two angles are interior angle, and 4 and 5, those two are lying opposite side. So those two angles are also a alternate interior angle. So alternate interior angles also a interior angle, but on the opposite side of the transversal. Our next angle is alternate exterior angle. So pair of angles that lie on the outside of lines on the opposite side. So here 1, 2, 7, 8. All 4 angles are the exterior angle. But alternate exterior means, so in the opposite side, it lies on the opposite. 2 and 7 are alternate exterior, and 1 and 8 are the alternate exterior angle. Vertically opposite angle. The angles located on opposite side of intersection point. So this is the intersection point and this is the intersection point. That is, two different lines are meeting at a point. So that point is known as intersection point. So angle located on opposite side. So this side and this side is opposite side. So angle 1 and angle 4 are the vertically opposite angle, and angle 2 and angle 3 is a vertically opposite angle, and angle 6 and angle 7 is vertically opposite angles. Angle 5 and angle 8 are the vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. Corresponding angles, pair of angles in matching corners when a transversal crosses the two other line. So when a transversal crosses the two lines, matching corners. So what is matching corner? The 1 and 5 both are matching corners, and 3 and 7, so these two angles are the corresponding angles, and 2 and 6 are the corresponding angles. 4 and 8 is the corresponding angles. So corresponding angles means it's a pair of angle in a matching corners. Consecutive co-interior angles, pair of angles on the inside of two lines sitting on the same side of a transversal. So here we have AB and CD are the parallel lines and PQ are the transversal. So inside means, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are the angles which lies inside, sitting on the same side. Same side means, so this side we have 1 and 2 and this side we have 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 are the co-interior angle or consecutive angle, and 3 and 4 are the 3 and 4 are the consecutive angles. When these two lines are parallel lines means, so these angles are a supplementary. So what do you mean by supplementary angle? Supplementary angles means two angles whose measures add up to exactly 180 degree. That means the sum of these two angles always equal to 180 degree. If you add 1 plus 2, it should be 180. And angle 3 and angle 4, if you add these two angles, the sum always 180 degree. Let's see an example. So in this example, AB and CD are the parallel lines. PQ is the transversal. So we need to identify all different angles. So the first one is the interior angle. So we have already learned about the interior angle. So interior angles means that angles lies on inside. 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So these four angles are lies inside the parallel lines. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Next one, exterior angle. So what do you mean by exterior angle? The angle that lies on the outside of two main lines. AB, CD, outside. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 7, 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. The next angle is vertically opposite angle. So what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Angle located on opposite side of the intersection. So this point is the intersection. So which is the opposite side? 1 and 4. Angle 1, and angle 4. So both are a vertically opposite angle. Then angle 2 and angle 3. You can write equal also because the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Then in this intersection point, angle 5 and angle 8 are opposite. So angle 5 is equal to angle 8. Next, angle 6 and 7. Next one is corresponding angle. So what is corresponding angle? The pair of angles in matching corners when a transversal crosses the two other lines. That means 2 and 6 are the corresponding angles, and 4 and 8 are the corresponding angles, 3 and 7 and 1 and 5. The same way, let's find the corresponding angle. So here 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are the corresponding angle. Then in the same side 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Next 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Then 4 and 8. The next angle is the alternate interior angle. So what is alternate interior angle? A pair of angles that lies on the inside of each of those lines but on the opposite side. We know the interior angles are 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, but on the opposite side. So 4 and 5 are the alternate interior angle. Angle 4 and angle 5 are the alternate interior angle, and angle 3 and angle 6. The last one, the alternate exterior angle. So the pair of angles that lies on the outside of two main lines but on the opposite side. Same, 1, 2 and 7, 8 are the exterior angle. Alternate exterior means opposite side 2 and 7 and 1 and 8. So in this example, we identified interior angles, exterior angles, vertically opposite angle and corresponding angles, and alternate interior and alternate exterior angle as well. Let's see another example. Write the angle relationship for the angle pairs. So here we have two parallel lines, and this line is the transversal, and they have named 8 different angles. So we need to write the angle relationship for the angle pairs. So the first one, angle 1 and angle 6. So angle 1 and angle 6. So these two angles are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means that is angles in a matching corners. So angle 1 and angle 6 both are in matching corner. So these two angles are corresponding angles. The next one, angle 6 and angle 7. Here we have angle 6, here we have angle 7. So these two angles, so this is the intersection point when an angle in the opposite side. So what is vertically opposite side? The angles located on opposite side of the intersection is known as vertically opposite angle. So angle 6 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angle. The next one, angle 4 and angle 5. So 4 and 5, so both are inside but on the opposite side. So that's nothing but alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle means a pair of angles that lies inside but on the opposite side. 4 and 5 both are in opposite side. So these two angles are known as alternate interior angles. The next two angles are angle 2 and angle 8. 2 and 8. So angle 2 as well as angle 8 both are outside, that is exterior angle, but on the opposite side. So that is known as alternate exterior angle. The last one, angle 3 and angle 5. 3 and 5. So both are inside but at the matching corner. So when the two angles are inside but sitting on the same side. So these two angles are there in the same side. So this is known as co-interior or a consecutive angles. So in this example, we found all the angle relationship for the given parallel lines and the transversal. So in this video, we have learned about what is transversal and different types of different angles formed by the parallel lines and the transversal along with the example. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.